Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the console. Press the tilde key tilde or F1 depending on your bindings and platform. You need to know if you are running single player, server admin, or developer mode because closing behavior differs. Once the console is visible, check for unsent commands or multi-line input and either copy or finalize them. Unsaved commands will be lost. Make sure to pause gameplay if needed so you can complete the close steps without interrupting a session. Now you execute the standard close. Most of the time, pressing the same key that opened the console, tilde tilde or F1, will toggle it off immediately, so try that first. If the console is sticky and blocks input, press escape to clear menus and then retoggle. If pressing the key does nothing, open Options controls to inspect and reassign the console key. Binding conflicts with overlays or third-party software often cause failure, so resolve those before continuing. If the console still won't close, force the fix. Alt plus tab out and quit any overlay programs like Discord, Steam, or third-party HUDs that may capture the key. Once done, return and retoggle the console. If that fails, save progress and restart the game or use Task Manager to end the Battlefield 1 process, then relaunch. If the issue recurs, check custom CFG files or mods for a forced console parameter. Remove or revert the change, and test again. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.